At this point, we've done a good bit to reduce the amount of code in all of our pages, but there's still something here that we can improve. If you look at the very top and the very bottom of each of these pages, we have a structure that looks very similar from page to page. We have a title, we have an include for the header, and then at the bottom we have an include for a footer. If we look at the index.php file, we'll see the same thing here. Now, this might seem a little bit over the top, but we can further reduce repetition here by routing all of our pages through a single page. And we can do that through an Apache module called mod rewrite. So the one benefit of doing that we're talking about now is that we get to reduce the repetition of the header and the footer aspects of each page. But another benefit is that we get to disconnect the URL from the actual file. So right now, when we go to products.php in the browser, we're actually accessing this products.php file. But if we use mod rewrite in order to reroute all of the pages through a single file, then we can use arbitrary URLs for any page on the site and create pages dynamically, for instance, by using content in a database, which is exactly what we're going to do as we work through this example.